And just like that, we're on day 18 of 18 days. Hell yeah, team. Welcome. How's it going? Welcome to day 18, our very last workout. Only of this series, though. This is just the beginning of our journey together. We have our pad and our pen. We're working in 45-second bouts, 15 seconds of rest, so our time hasn't changed. The number of reps have continuously increased each week, and this week sees exactly the same. So when we do our beast to push-ups, we're going to go for 20, or we're going to go for 20 of those. Let's write that down. We're going to do our push-ups to down dog. We're going to try for 15 of those. Then we have our jump lunges. We're going to go for 30. Yeah, we are. And then, let's see here, very last, our plank with our taps, and we're going to do 15 of those. So we got 20 beast, we got 15 push-ups into down dog, we got 30 jump lunges, and we've got 15 plank taps. Now, it's also our third week. We're going to do 3 rounds of each of these exercises. Hell yeah. We're still only going to work out for 12 minutes, but we're increasing our intensity, we're increasing our reps. You guys, let's leave it all on our mats today. We're going to get our timer started here, and let's get ourselves warmed up. Let's find downward facing dog. Pedal out our feet, straighten into one leg, bend into the other. Shake your head yes and no. Shift your weight from left to right. Let's take some nice big healthy breaths here. Let's get ready, you guys. It's our last workout together, our last day in December. We've pushed ourselves through this month, through our first 3 weeks. And this last workout will be just as hard working as the rest of them were. Let's walk our hands to meet our feet. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward and fold. Good, and 1 vertebrae at a time. We're gonna come all the way to stand. You guys, we're gonna start with that beast. We're gonna start with that beast. We're gonna be here in that tall plank. We press back, sit bones to heels, and we strongly push ourselves forwards. Now, we're gonna write these down. So we've got 3 rounds. We're going for 20 reps in each round. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Press back. Remember, you're counting your own. And we want to be truthful about our count. We want to be mindful about how we're moving. And you're either going to get timed out or you're going to hit your reps, whichever one comes first. We're 20 seconds in. Excellent, you guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Perfect. 30 seconds in. We got 15 seconds left. Let's go, 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 go. Write down when you got your time or when you got your reps. What reps you got, you hit your 20, you write down 20. If you're still going, you keep going. You're done in 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Write down that rep. Whew. Nice job, team. Let's do that 2 more times. We're going to get each workout done 1 at a time. We're going to save our plank taps for the end. We're starting again in 3, in 2, and in 1. Let's go for beast. Push back. If you didn't get your full 20, let's try to beat what you got last time in this round. Let's still show up with the same intensity. Round 2 as we had in round 1. Let's be mindful of how we're moving, focusing on our form. We're 20 seconds in. Yes, you guys. And again, you are true to your counts. 15 seconds left. You're mindful of how you're moving. You're focusing on that form. You're writing down the reps you got this time, the reps you got your first time. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Write that down. Did you beat your first round this second round? That answer is no. You got 1 more round to get there. Or if you beat it, let's beat round 2 here in round 3. Our last round. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, team. Nice and strong all the way to the end. Nice job, you guys. 15 seconds in. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Here we go. Big push here. Whew. Oh my gosh, quads. Yes, team. Woo. Good job, good job. 30 seconds in. We've got 15 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. Write down what you got. Let's push it, let's push it, let's push it. Good job. We got 4. You got 3. Yes, 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 you got 2. And you got 1. Amazing job. Whew. All right, we're gonna get into some push-ups now. Don't forget to record what you got. We find that push-up, whether you're on your knees or your toes. From there, you go right to down dog. We got 15. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Good, you guys. Let's stay strong. Remember, we're comparing ourselves to who we showed up as and who we leave as. No one else, just us. Nice friendly little competition. Our very last exercise, workout of this challenge. We're ready for it. We're here. Perfect, we're 30 seconds in. Woo. Yes, okay, you guys. We're 40 seconds. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, you guys. Take that quick 15 seconds here. Write down what you got. And let's try to beat round 1 here in round 2. Or let's get those 15 reps. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Remember, stay connected to your breath. Mindful as you move. And let's focus on that form. Good, you guys, we're 20 seconds in. We got 1 more round after this. Then we're gonna move on to our last 2 exercises. Keep going, you guys. Keep going, keep going. More than 30 seconds in. We have 10 seconds left. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. What a sneaky little devil this one is. My gosh. All right, and write that down. I barely got that in. All right, I got 1 more round to get 15 again. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Last round, best round. Good stuff, you guys. Come on, let's push it all the way to the end. All right. We're 20 seconds, 25 seconds in. We have 20 seconds left. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't break that form. Nice job, team. Last 10 seconds. Whew. I'm trying. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes. Nice work, you guys. Whew. We're gonna give our upper body a little bit of a break. We're gonna jump now, some lunges. We wrote that down. We're here to here. 3, 2, 1. We got 30, let's go. Keep those knees behind your toes. Land quietly, soft feet. Nice job, you guys. 20 seconds in. Whew. Good, everybody. It's 15 a leg, 30 altogether. We have 15 seconds left. Oh my goodness. We're doing that twice, 2 more times. Oh my gosh. Here we go, team. Last 5 seconds. You got this. You got this. 3, 2, and time. Yes. Write down what you got. And let's try to beat that this next round, hey? If you didn't get 30, don't worry. Let's try to get 30 this time or beat what we got round 1. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. We're mindful of our form. We're keeping our knees back. Good, you guys. 20 seconds in. Oh my goodness. Here we go, here we go. 10 seconds. Oh my gosh. We're somehow, not even somehow, we're doing that again. 3, 2, 1. You're done. Round 2. We got one more round to go. Holy moly. Whew. 5 seconds, team. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We started strong. Let's finish strong. 20 seconds in. Let's go, let's go. Ah. Okay, team. 15 seconds left. Oh my goodness. Keep moving, keep moving. You've got this, you got this, you got this. Yes, less than 10. You're in it, you're in it, all the way to the end. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 3, 2, 1, done. Whew. 3 done. We got one more to go. We're in plank. 2 shoulder taps, 2 tummy taps. That counts as 1. We're going 15. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Remember, widen your base. If you need to, head onto your knees. If you need to, but we're on our knees, we're not here. We're still strong, long. We're working just as hard. Nice work, you guys. Good, let's keep going, let's keep going. You've got this. As little tilt in your body as possible. Keep going, 2 shoulders, 2 tummy. Shoulder, shoulder, tummy, tummy is 1. You're going 15, less than 10. Keep it up, let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice job, you guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Take a sec. Grab a sip if you need it. Write that down. 2 more rounds. You're either gonna get to 15 again, or you're gonna beat what you just did. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. However you're counting is how you're counting. But you remember that that count is true. It's honest, it's real. You're not cheating yourself. Nothing like that. Let's go, 30 seconds in. We have 15 seconds left. Holy smokes. All right, team. All right, all right, all right. Go, go, go. 3, 2, 1. Round 2 done. We got one last round. And team, I know, I trust, we're all getting 15. And if we don't get 15, we're gonna beat what we did round 1 and round 2. Let's finish this series strong. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good, you guys, let's keep that form on, whether you're on your toes or you're on your knees. 2 tummy, 2 shoulder. Nice, everybody. There we go, 20 seconds in, 25 to go. Good, you guys. Let's be mindful. Let's be strong all the way to the end. Go, go, go. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, last 5, last 4, 3, 2, and we are all done. Whew. Take a second. Take a sec. You know what? Give yourself a big fucking hug. Oh, not only did you just get through that workout, you just got through 18 fucking workouts. Yes, you did. You guys, 21 days, 18 workouts is epic. Congratulate yourself. Take a second to honor yourself. Acknowledge yourself. Yeah, we did. We just did that. Yes, we did. Yes, you did. And how amazing does that feel? Emotionally, mentally, absolutely physically, to be consistent, to progress, to track, to be mindful, and absolutely crush a 3-week little program there. Let's give a little stretch to ourselves. Let's find downward facing dog. Pedal out those feet. Bend into one leg, straighten into the other. Awesome, you guys. Let's find some stillness here. Let's hang a little bit heavy. We're gonna walk our hands to meet our feet. Inhale, halfway lift. And then we forward and fold. One vertebrae at a time. We're gonna come all the way up to stand. Team, I cannot even begin to tell each and every one of you how proud I am of you, how much I see you, I feel you, I'm here for you. We are all on a journey together, but we're all very much so individually on our own journeys. Support, community, strength. It is all such a big part of it. You guys fucking did that for yourselves and for those around you. Medicine, movement, it is such a real thing for our mindsets, for our physical health, and for our everyday. I love you guys. I love you guys so much for showing up for you and for loving yourselves and for anybody else that you're doing this for. You guys rock. I cannot wait to move again, and it was beyond an honor. Every single time I got to move with you guys throughout these last 18 days. Let's do it again. We're gonna be a little bit stronger each time we show up. And that's where the good shit happens. Make healthy choices as often as you can. More importantly, remember how good it tastes when you enjoy the shit out of it. I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'll see you all soon.